Promise that you'll catch me later.
If I play this animation right here now, Zero is not making any form of walking animation, which we're going to fix. So let's just get right into it.
Promise that you'll catch me later.
So once we got animations, let's add some events by through and let's go to 0, edit object, and here I got animation 0, animation 1. So let's name this animation going to be stand. You know what, just put it to idle, and the walking animation should be set to walk. Let's press the loop for walking animation so it will continuously play over. Okay, and let's apply. Let's go here, and now we're gonna say when the player is moving, change the animation to walk. Let's play this. So now the player is not moving. Let's begin move. So now you can see the player moving, and when I stop, the animation is still playing. So let's say when player is moving but inverted is like the opposite of moving. So that would be, it would say if the player is not moving, if 0 isn't moving. I'm gonna go here again, change the animation to idle. Okay, let's play. And there we go, guys. If I stand, oh, it's not changing. ID, oh sorry, it's 0. And play. Now you can see he's standing up, just moving around, standing up. So that's pretty much it, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.